In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make an exam planner in Notion. Today's guide will not only lay the foundation for organizing your exam schedule, but also enhance your ability to stay on top of your academic commitments with ease and efficiency. Notion is a powerful tool that lets you create customized organizers to suit your specific needs, and today, we're tapping into its potential to set up an intuitive exam planner. First things first, we'll begin by opening Notion. Once you're inside the application, look towards the left-hand sidebar. Here, you'll see an option labeled Plus New Page. Click on this to get the ball rolling on your new planner. Once you've opened the new page, you'll want to give it a fitting name. Something simple yet descriptive like Exam Planner should work perfectly. Naming your page helps you quickly identify what it's for whenever you're navigating through Notion. Now that we have our page set, the next step is to create a dedicated exams database. We'll achieve this by typing the /key followed by the word table. This command gives you a couple of options, but for our purposes today, we'll select either table, full page, or table, inline. This table will act as the central hub for all your exam information, serving as an organized and accessible database. With your table in place, let's move on to adding some useful properties for our exams. Your first action here will be to rename the default name column to something more descriptive like exam. This column will be where you input the name of each exam, but we won't stop there. To make this planner truly functional, we'll add a few more columns, each serving a distinct purpose. Let's begin with the subject property. This column should be set to the select type. Here you can list down various subjects such as math, science, English, or whichever subjects you're currently studying. Having a drop-down menu for subjects not only keeps things orderly, but also makes data entry smoother and faster. The next column we'll add is exam date. Unlike the others, this column should be set to the date type. This is where you'll note when each exam is going to take place. Documenting the exact exam dates ensures that you can plan your studying accordingly, prioritize effectively, and avoid any last-minute cramming. And there you have it. With just a few simple steps, you've created a comprehensive exam planner in Notion. By inputting exams, specifying subjects, and marking dates, you'll find it much easier to visualize your academic timeline and prepare efficiently. Remember, organization is key to reducing stress and boosting productivity as exam season approaches. I hope this guide helps you create a planner that's as effective as it is straightforward. Thank you for tuning in, and be sure to check back for more helpful Notion tips and tricks.